Let's look at a 16-mark question for the sources paper on Russia. So it's fairly similar to the 8-mark question, but it has to respond to an interpretation and add your own knowledge to support your response. Because there wasn't a 16-mark question on this topic, I had to invent one using the Extend Your Own Knowledge box. You could try and do this too as you're reading through the book. I picked a historiographical problem, whether or not Stolypin was popular and a great reformer. I did a bit of research and then created a short question related to the topic. Again, you can use a table like this to help you with revision purposes, but in the exam it's probably more likely that you'll be able to do something like this. You'll probably be able to transfer shortened versions of the details from your 8-mark question, read the source again and see what else you could add in relation to the interpretation, and then add your own knowledge. This is page 12 from your books, highlighted to show which bits of information you could use. And this is some of that information transferred into the table. This is page 18 in your books with some information highlighted that you could use in your table. And this is page 19 with the same similar information highlighted again. There's a bit more on page 21, and then the table's looking pretty full. All you need to do now is conclude considering the weight of evidence from the sources and your own knowledge in response to the interpretation.